Want to hear a gross fact?
Ever wondered why a sneeze feels so dramatic? Turns out, it's because you're basically launching a microscopic hurricane from your face. A single sneeze can blast out at nearly 100 miles per hour, faster than a cheetah with hay fever. That's not just a chew, that's ox speed. And those tiny droplets? They can travel up to 26 feet. So, if someone sneezes near you, don't just say bless you. Say duck and cover. Because in the world of biology, your nose is secretly training for the 100-meter sprint.